Hello everyone, I am Aadith and today I am going to be talking about an extremely interesting topic, golden ratio or divine number. So what is the golden ratio? For this we have to start with a series of numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 and so on. This series is popularly known as the Fibonacci series, named after Leonardo Fibonacci. This series was also referenced as Matrameru by an Indian mathematician, Acharya Pingala, who lived in the 3rd century BCE. That's 2000 years ago. To derive this, I've got a chart to help you understand. So, if you see, let's start from 0 plus 1 equals 1. Now, what you do is take the first number of the sum of the equation and add it to the last number of the equation. So, what you get is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then you do that again to get 1 plus 2 equals 3. And you do that again to get 2 plus 3 equals 5. And you do that again and again and again. And it goes on forever. Now, this is the Fibonacci sequence. So, how do we get to the golden ratio? So, what we do is take the sum of one equation and divide it with the previous number's sum. For example, 5 divided by 3 equals 1.6667. 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. 13 divided by 8 equals 1.625. Now, if you notice, the quotient of all these equations always start with 1.6. The golden ratio has a ratio of 1.6. So, imagine this 30 centimeter scale is 1. And this other 30 centimeter scale is also 1. So now what we do is add a little more than half of this initial length of the scale. So this is 1.6. Now if we take a rectangle with dimensions 1 to 1.6. Now, if we keep on cutting this rectangle into golden ratio points, we get a spiral which looks like this. This is called the golden spiral. The golden ratio can be found in a lot of things, from the smallest to the largest of things. Nature provides a lot of designs that follow the golden ratio. Lots of fruits have seeds that follow the Fibonacci sequence. Even some flowers have petals that follow that sequence. The arrangement of sunflower seeds is a very common example of the golden spiral. Pine cone and pineapple are other examples. Even the spirals on our galaxy Milky Way follow the golden spiral. There are many more examples, from the shell of a snail to the disks of planet Saturn, that show that the universe seems to like the golden ratio. The golden ratio can be seen in a lot of human-made design, like the famous paintings of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. It's also seen in historical monuments like the Pantheon and Taj Mahal. It's also seen in our ancient temples like the Brihadishvara temple in Tanjavur. A lot of musical instruments follow the golden ratio design. If you come to my piano, this is an octave. You see the Fibonacci sequence because you have 13 keys in total. You have 5 black keys and 8 white keys. Even the musical notes and scales on a piano align with the Fibonacci sequence. Now let's bring it a little closer to us. Our body follows the golden ratio. Now hold your hand out like this. So, from your shoulder to your elbow is 1. From your elbow to your fingertips is 1.6. Let's take it further. Now, from your fingertips to your wrist is 1. And from your wrist to your elbow is 1.6. Now let's take this further. From your fingertip to the bottom of your finger is 1, and from your bottom of the finger to your wrist is 1.6. Pretty crazy, huh? Now watch now. Your head to your belly button is 1, and from your belly button to your feet is 1.6. Even the spacing of your eyes, the length and width of your head, and your two front teeth are bigger because of the golden ratio. Your entire body is the symphony of the golden ratio. Are you getting freaked out yet? I hope you are as amazed and excited to learn the golden ratio with me. I hope you will find this you'll notice this in a lot of things around you. I sure I am.